Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 255 tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable the morning report on your Garmin Forerunner 255. So the morning report usually appears in the morning after you've waken up, and it gives you a quick summary of the day, including how you did with your sleep and everything like that. Removing the morning report is fairly easy. All we need to do is first get out of it, which we can do the down button, then view the morning report, and from there hit the back button right here. To exit, we just need to use the start or stop button. Once you've exited the morning report and you're back on your watch face here, we need to open the menu, and we do that by holding the up button right here, just for a second or two. Once it opens, go down to Appearance, select Appearance, and then we want to go down all the way to Morning Report. From here you can edit the report if you want, or change your name on the report, but if we want to turn it off, where it says Show Report, just toggle that off, and you will no longer see the morning report on your Forerunner 255. All right, so that's how you turn off or disable the morning report on a Garmin Forerunner 255. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 255 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.